The quality of our water is of great concern to everyone, so creating an app to monitor and collect data on the health of the Ohio River is being received with great interest. Aaron Corsi is a senior at Northern Kentucky University with a major in media informatics and a minor in art. He is a self-published app developer for two iPhone apps called TimeDroid and ThunDroid. Aaron works in the Center for Applied Informatics and is the lead developer on the water quality app for River on the Web.
When we started work on water quality, our goal was to create a tool that would allow anybody to become part of the effort to monitor our water, but not just by taking tests, but also by understanding what the information that they were testing for meant. Traditionally, the job of testing our water is just the domain of scientists, but with an app like this, anybody who owns an iPhone or an iPad can now become part of this effort. Water is unique. It's got a very unique property to dissolve any other substance and transport it very easily. So this can be something that can allow an ecosystem to thrive by dissolving oxygen and bringing it to the organisms that live there. But this property also allows water to be extremely efficient at dissolving pollutants like bacteria and viruses or chemical pollutants. And so to understand these properties of water, water quality tracks 18 different measurements. We're even able to calculate a pollution tolerance index for the user. So we can show them numerically how good or bad their water is. Some of the tests with water quality can be as simple as just taking a test strip from an aquarium store down to a body of water and just dipping it in the river. And in about 5 minutes, you can get some reasonably accurate results, which you can then publish to our website, River on the Web. And through this, we can create this national database of water quality everywhere. All of this collecting data isn't very useful, though, unless we can make sure that it's accurate. So what we've done with water quality is we've added a field guide into the application itself. This field guide tells the user how to take these measurements accurately. We can even add videos to show them step by step how to take each one. And we also describe what these measurements mean and how they impact the user themselves. Working on a project of this magnitude and with this sort of social impact isn't something that everybody gets to have in their undergraduate study. Luckily enough, through the Center of Applied Informatics, I was able to work on this project, and I think I'm pretty lucky. So having said that, what does the future of water quality monitoring look like? So right now, this is the present state of the art of water quality monitoring. This device is called a sonde. What a sonde is basically a large cylinder packed with as many sensors as you can fit inside. The way you use it is you just dip it right into the water you'd like to test, and in a couple seconds, you have completely accurate results for everything that our app tracks. But it's got a few downsides. It's huge, it's not easy to use, and they're really expensive. And it's not something that you can just plug into your iPhone and go. These are some other sensors that track other environmental things, like we've got radiation, testing for pesticides, and some other things. These aren't things that we test in water quality, but the principle is the same. These share the same problem as well. They're large and not easy to use. But these have all been miniaturized. This is a product that you can buy today. You can buy this and carry it around in your pocket. It'll plug into your iPhone and take instantly accurate measurements of the environment. It'll work with an app very similar to water quality as well. Because of the miniaturization of these sensors, the sensors that are in that sonde will become smaller and they will become cheaper. And developers like myself have the power to make those sensors easy to use and available to everyone. My hope is that in the future, with the miniaturization of these sensors and new software, everybody will be able to become part of this effort to monitor our water, so we can better understand our world and also our impact within it. Thank you.